Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back. You're tuned to ITV and Say Global Productions Quick and Easy Cooking. And before the break, we showed you a very quick and easy tilbina dish, a bari dish that can be used for every breakfast or even perhaps a light supper. But it just, as always, we show you our quick and easy ITV recipe book. That was some years ago. It's all the tried and tested recipes that was done on screen. You can find all the recipes in this book. I think there still are some available in certain bookshops. I think in Echo-Wise and Dolly Ratebe, some at ITV, you can find out. If need be, you can contact me. All my contact details, or you can communicate with me on Instagram or Facebook or YouTube, etc. And we'll respond to you. And on with the program, as promised, we are going to show you two very quick and easy, so there's a lot of things on the table, two quick and easy recipes that you can try as healthy ones. Remember I said we want to eat healthy because we don't want people to have high blood, we don't want people to have heart attacks, etc. So the ingredient for the two recipes I'm going to share with you is a quick and easy butter chicken recipe. And also a quick and easy chicken fillet recipe that can be used for sandwiches or burgers, etc. But very, very, simply done with whatever you have at home, inshallah. So improvising. So talking about improvising, this is actually half a kg of cube chicken that you will need for the butter chicken. And I get these uninjected chickens, alhamdulillah, so serves me quite well. You're going to be needing a pinch of saffron. Any saffron will do. 2 cardamom pods, 2 cinnamon sticks, 2 cloves, all in here, all together. A teaspoon of red chili powder. This is, now you can either use this or this. This is the dry butter chicken masala, and this is the wet one. This is the dry one, and this is the wet one. So you can use, I'm going to use a bit of both. And half a teaspoon of dana jeeru, very, in fact, even less than that. Some turmeric, quarter teaspoon is fine. A handful of fried onions. These two are important ingredients, maybe less, but very adds the taste to the butter chicken. This is half a teaspoon of garlic. Very important to enhance the taste of the chicken, remember. And this is ginger and garlic paste. So this you need because it takes away the meaty smell of the chicken. And Himalayan salt, just half a teaspoon. So we don't want to add too much of salt in our foods, and we're adding the healthy one. A dash of lemon juice. And this, I don't have sour milk, so I had some leftover dahi masala, dahi sour milk, so I'm going to use that for my chicken. So you'll see how that will get done. And instead of using ghee, I'm using coconut oil, and this spreads out very beautifully into the pan. 1 crushed onion. And for the chicken fillet, we'll show you in a bit, is from the same chicken. I took out the chicken fillet, a half a kg, cut in thin slices, or not so thin. This is piri piri paste. It's coconut oil, again, 2 tablespoons. For the butter chicken, it's also 2, and this is 2. Half a teaspoon of Himalayan salt, ginger and garlic paste, dash of lemon juice, and this is going to be used for our sandwich. I'll show you how to do that. One thing I didn't mention, you can use either fresh cream or normal cream or canned cream, and I had canned cream at home, so I'm using this for which I'm going to use for the butter chicken. So let's start. I have both the plates on my makeshift stove, and they are on at the moment. So let's add to both. I'm going to work at the same time. This is for the chicken fillet, and this is for the butter chicken. So people may say, what's happening here? We are multitasking. This you don't have to wait for anything. You can just pour everything in. I'm going to pour the onions in as well, because the plate was hot. So while the onions are getting hot, I'm just going to prepare the chicken filling that will go in. I've added the salt. I hope our camera operator can see it. All the ingredients very quickly. So while the oil is getting hot there, I'm going to masala that as well. I'm going to choose to use today the butter chicken masala, all of it, which is 2 tablespoons. Just a tablespoon of this one if you want, or you can use both. All the masalas. This will be very nice to marinate. The pinch of saffron, red chilies. Should have actually taken a bigger bowl, but you can make do with it. Ginger and garlic. The garlic paste is all very easy. Add the lemon. So this will make it a bit more sour as well. You can use yogurt. It goes very well with yogurt. So as you leave this to stand for a little bit while your onions are getting done. So it's all like a question of multitasking. So as you multitask, you get better at it. So I see this, while I put this masala to stand a bit and onions are getting ready, I see this thing is also ready. Our oil for the coconut oil for the chicken fillet is also ready. Let me add the masala for the chicken fillet quickly. The lemon juice, all of the ginger and garlic, a bit of the garlic paste, because this I'm going to throw in there. I hope you can get the garlic smell. But where can you get the garlic smell? Wow. Okay. Now here we have the chicken fillet, the masala. Onions are almost ready as well. So the onion, as the garlic is sizzling quickly, I'm going to add this here. I've added all the ingredients already. Very quickly. You can even marinate this before the time, but if you're cooking, make a quick and easy supper dish and you want to give your grandchildren around or children around, you need to give them something quick and easy. Nice to have this fillets ready. So, here we go. Hope the camera operator can see this, the rest can see this. So 2 dishes at the same time. How's that for efficiency, Parvez? Having a bumper supper tonight. Okay, so I'm going to lower the heat on that. Can you get the aroma? Right? So this is what you can get, the coconut. Yes, that's the coconut that you are getting. So I'm going to toss this around. The butter chicken must be nice, the onions must be nice and pink. So it's almost ready. So the homemade burgers are fantastic. Homemade sandwiches as well, but I'm going to show you a healthy sandwich with it today. I normally don't keep this thing at home, buns or rolls, because they're not healthy. So the onions are ready for the plunge of the butter chicken. You can add more sour milk if you want. It's up to you. I'm going to do just that. Actually, this should marinate, but marinate, then it doesn't make it quick and easy. But it's healthier this way. But did you see how less butter or coconut oil I put in it? You can even try it without the coconut oil, but you want some kind of some kind of oil to braise the tajlong ilachi. Others will just put it with fried onions and let it cook. So we're going to leave this to simmer for a few minutes while we look at our chicken fillet. This will get done as I'm talking to you. We cover the butter chicken. Where's my bucket? Okay, so we are going to let this simmer for a while. Less than 10 minutes actually, it's almost done. If you want, you can add some water, but there is enough water coming out of the chicken, so I'm going to leave that there. And your butter chicken also getting done nicely. So I'm going to add a bit more sour milk, whatever was this. So it's actually half a cup of sour milk that I used. Actually, it's a day milk that I had left over from the biryani, so nothing goes to waste. This is as it's sizzling. Okay, increasing the heat there so it gets done in time. With the spoon here, this is almost done. Leave that to simmer. Okay, so this is our chicken fillet that's ready. So you give it about 5-10 minutes because the stove isn't quite high. You got to keep on watching it though. This is just a peri-peri and garlic and ginger and salt, dash of lemon juice. So I'm going to put everything completely off now and show you the butter chicken. The butter chicken is also ready, alhamdulillah, the cooking part of it. So what we have to do now is add the cream and give it the butter chicken. Look, you can add even more cream, but again, remember today we're trying healthy dishes. The same food that you are eating, but just done a bit more healthily. Let me pour that for you so you can see what it looks like. Move this one side. So this is your butter chicken. I'm going to add, I freeze, it's now time to freeze your greens because summer's over. This is frozen coriander. Okay, and your chicken fillet. This is what it looks like. And can you get the aroma, Pervez? Right, so this is your so-called fast food dish. I'm just going to show you what it looks like there. And do up a little sandwich so you can see how you can serve it to your family. I want to take this away from there, so. Okay. This, as I said, is your butter chicken. You can serve this with roti, you can serve it with naan, you can serve it with a host of other things that you want in a healthy way. You even get coconut roti. So that's a new. I'm going to try it one of the programs and I'll show you how to make coconut roti. But for now, this is rye bread. So no, I'm not putting any butter, but what I'm going to use is something that we've been eating all our life, and this has been done by my sister-in-law, achar. It's or pickle, methi pickle or fenugreek pickle as a sauce, right? No mayonnaise. You can, if you want, put mayonnaise. Put in the sides as well. And it's been, I just get the pickle done without any oils. I add olive oil. So what you do then is just add your fillet, how big a piece you want, or more than that if you want. You can add lettuce and some onion. You can add green chilies. You can add whatever filling toppings you want. You can leave it open with cheese, or you can leave it as a sandwich like this. So there you have it. Quick and easy butter chicken, quick and easy fillet that you can use so many purposes, inshallah. And we hope that you will enjoy it, inshallah, and serve your family in a nutritious, healthy way. Your butter chicken. Can you see the coriander is still quite green, although it's been frozen just after summer, completed. Ended we now in autumn and going into winter. And I hope in the next program that we can show you some soups, etc. But for now, try these healthy dishes, inshallah. The quick and easy. I can even add more fillet on that. But this is your home fillet. You cannot get better than this. McDonald's, eat your heart out. So we hope that you will try these recipes. The quick and easy butter chicken. And I think it's going to be quite sour because I put sour milk as well as added some lemon juice. And I would suggest you put a little less salt. If you don't even have to add the salt if you're adding the butter chicken masala. And if you want, you can add more cream. But it does have the butter chicken look, and hope you enjoy it, as well as the fillet and the tolbina that we showed you earlier. With that, we come to the close of today's program. I hope that you're going to share these recipes with your family. Cooking is ibadah, eating is an ibadah, eating healthy, eating from the earth that's pure and clean is an ibadah. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala guide us. May we follow the sunnah in our lives, and may we nurture ourselves and our families so we continue to worship Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala till we meet again. A very warm assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.